Want to check your iPhone's real battery health? Not just the number Apple shows in settings? Here's a quick way to get a more detailed, accurate stat using a free shortcut, compatible with iOS 16 and above. First, open the Settings app, tap Battery, and then choose Battery Health and Charging. Here you'll see your phone's maximum capacity, but this number alone doesn't always tell the full story. To go deeper, open Safari or any web browser and search for iPhone Battery Shortcut. From the results, tap on the one labeled Battery Stats shortcut and hit Add Shortcut. This will add it directly into your Shortcuts app. Now return to Settings, scroll down to Privacy and Security, then tap Analytics and Improvements. Open Analytics data and choose the most recent entry, usually named with a date. Tap the share icon, scroll down, and select the Battery Stats shortcut you just added. Wait a moment, and the shortcut will extract your original battery health, showing more specific information like cycle count, actual capacity, and more. And that's it. If you found this helpful, tap like, comment with your current battery cycle count, and subscribe for more iPhone tips.